Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Suzuki Vitara from any screen. If we click the home button here, you'll see there you've got your Bluetooth there, your telephone there, and guidance here. So if I click here, no guidance at the moment. If I click there, in the corner there, you've got new address, points of interest nearby, points of interest search. So what I want is new address, city postcode. There we go. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR 54EA. Click OK. And now you'll see there, it looks like a road. Click on that. Calculating route.
Make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat on the forecourt, so that's it. Again, not very clear. I mean, you would think they'd put like something like go or start route, but instead it's just a black and white symbol of a motorway.